Today, we're going beyond the basics. Infinite banking isn't just about solving today's financial challenges. It's about creating a system that supports your family for decades, maybe even centuries. Think about this. Why do we know the Rockefellers' name? It's not just because they were wealthy. It's because they built a system to keep their wealth growing and accessible for future generations. With infinite banking, you're not just building wealth. You're building legacy wealth. You're creating a financial foundation that your children, your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren can rely on. And you can start this today, no matter where you are financially. Let's dive into how infinite banking allows your wealth to compound over time. When you set up a properly structured whole life insurance policy, you're creating an uninterrupted growth engine for your money. And here's what that means. Even when you borrow against your policy, the entire deposited or paid premiums continue to grow as if you've never taken a loan. This compounding effect is how you create exponential growth year after year, decade after decade. Imagine this, starting with $50,000 in deposits or paid premiums, compounding at 3 to 6% annually. Now, traditionally, here's how you do that math. In 30 years, that'll grow to somewhere around 300,000 or higher. In infinite banking math, you've purchased a death benefit well over 300,000 that your family is guaranteed to get. Then you're earning dividends each and every year. And then on top of that, and what I think is most important, you have unstructured and private access to the cash value that's built up inside this policy. So even after multiple loans, all that money you've spent has not depleted your savings. And here's the kicker. When it comes time to pass on your legacy, the death benefit ensures your heirs receive a tax-free inheritance and can start new policies. So the policy's growth resets for the next generation. Now, let's talk strategy. Infinite banking isn't about locking the money away. It's about leveraging it to create more opportunities. So let's say you take out this policy loan at 5% interest, and you use that loan to invest in real estate, earning a return of, 8 to 12%. Not only is your policy cash still growing, but you're also generating additional income from the investment. This is how you keep your money working in two places at once. So if you're confused about how policy loans can work or work for you, or how to calculate these numbers, you should just check out our video titled How to Build Wealth with Infinite Banking, the step-by-step guide. In that video, we broke it all down for you, well, step by step. So this is where infinite banking becomes more than just a tool. It becomes legacy. Families like the Rockefellers didn't rely on just one policy. They created a system. Each generation contributed and benefited from the family bank. So here's how it works. Step 1, start with one policy. Then add policies for your spouse, your children, or even your grandchildren as your wealth grows, as you come into more money, as your income grows. Teach your family how to use these policies to borrow, invest, and grow wealth. And then over time, you create a network of policies that not only protects your family, but also keeps growing for the next generation. This isn't just about money. This is about value, legacy. Teaching your family how to manage, grow, respect your system ensures that your legacy lasts. And if you want to see a simple way to manage this in your own family, you can check out our video called The Family Business for actionable strategies. Now, some of you might be thinking, this sounds great, but isn't it expensive to set up? Or what if I can't afford to fund a large policy right now? Well, here's the good news. Infinite banking is scalable. You can start small, even with a modest policy, and build over time. The key is to get started. Waiting only delays the compounding and the legacy that you want to build. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future and start to build your system that supports your family for generations, let's get started. What you should do is just click the link in the description of this video and you can book your free cash consultation call. And then together, we'll design a plan tailored to your goals so you can start building your own financial legacy today.
Gave a lot of game, we never got a lot of things. Bow your head and say the prayer, we taught you how to be the bank.